Welcome to AI Tech Beat, a channel dedicated to bringing you the best products, devices, tools, and gadgets that add ambience and professionalism to your life. Drone technology has come a long way, and one of the biggest advancements is controllers with built-in screens. No more struggling with smartphone mounts or external tablets. These smart controllers give you real-time visuals, flight telemetry, and superior control all in one device. But with so many options available, how do you choose the best one? Today we're breaking down the top drone controllers with built-in screens available on Amazon, their features and how they compare, so you can make the best choice for your flying experience. Why choose a drone controller with a built-in screen? If you're serious about flying, having a controller with an integrated screen makes a huge difference. Here's why. Real-time telemetry. Instantly see flight data, battery levels, and GPS coordinates. No external devices needed. Say goodbye to mounting your phone or tablet. Your display is built in. Better visibility. High brightness screens make flying easy, even in direct sunlight. Stronger connection. Dedicated controllers have superior signal transmission compared to Wi-Fi connected mobile devices. Let's take a look at the top contenders in this category. DJI Smart Controller, a trusted favorite. If you own a DJI Mavic or Air Series drone, the DJI Smart Controller is one of the best choices. It has a 5-inch ultra-bright display with 1000 nits of brightness for outdoor visibility. OcuSync 2.0 technology ensures a strong signal up to 8 kilometers away. The Android-based interface allows app downloads and customization. Plus, it offers long battery life, up to 2.5 hours of continuous flight. This controller is perfect for those who want seamless integration with DJI drones and a premium flying experience. For those looking for a larger screen and professional-grade performance, the Autel Robotics Smart Controller is a great alternative. A 9-inch HD touchscreen. A bigger display means better visuals. An ultra-bright screen, optimized for flying in direct sunlight. Built-in GPS navigation helps with advanced route planning. And extended battery life, up to 3 hours of operation. This controller is ideal for professional photographers and filmmakers who need a high-quality display for precise aerial shots. Head-to-head comparison. Controller screen size, transmission range, battery life. DJI Smart Controller, 5.5 inches, 8 kilometers, 2.5 hours. Autel Smart Controller, 7.9 inches, 7 kilometers, 3 hours. Both controllers offer exceptional performance. But if you need a compact and lightweight option, go with the DJI Smart Controller. If you want a larger screen and longer battery life, the Autel Smart Controller is the way to go. Things to consider before buying a drone controller with a screen. Before making your purchase, here are a few things to keep in mind. Compatibility. Make sure the controller works with your specific drone model. Screen brightness. Look for a controller with at least 1000 nits of brightness for outdoor visibility. Battery life. A longer battery life ensures extended flying sessions. Transmission range. The farther the range, the more flexibility you have for long-distance flights. Software features. Some controllers come with AI-powered flight assistance, GPS mapping, and cloud connectivity. Future trends in drone controllers. The future of drone controllers is exciting, with brands developing more immersive and high-tech features like augmented reality overlays, displaying real-time navigation and flight paths in 3D AI-powered flight assistants, helping beginners fly with ease, gesture control and voice commands, hands-free operation, longer battery life and faster charging, extending flight sessions even further. These innovations are shaping the next generation of drone controllers, making flying more intuitive and powerful than ever before. Final thoughts. Which drone controller should you buy? If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance controller with a built-in screen, both the DJI Smart Controller and the Autel Robotics Smart Controller are top-tier options. Go with the DJI Smart Controller if you want a compact, portable controller with seamless DJI drone integration. Choose the Autel Smart Controller if you prefer a larger screen and extended battery life for professional aerial photography. Either way, investing in a screen-integrated drone controller will significantly enhance your flying experience, giving you real-time visuals, better control, and a more immersive flight experience. Ready to upgrade your drone setup? Check out the best drone controllers with screens on Amazon today. Thanks for watching the video from AI Tech Beat, and please check the description for an article with comprehensive details. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found value in this video. Stay tuned for our next AI video.